Assalamualaikum and very good evening. Today, I would like to present about the attractions found at Tawau Hills Park. One trail leads along the Sungai Tawau for 2.5 kilometers to Bukit Gelas Falls, which when not swamped with school groups and tourists are perfectly picturesque and fine for a dip. Another track leads to 3.2 kilometers, a sulfur spring. Locals believe that the skin medication water has medicinal properties. Alternatively, you can always take a quick 30 minutes walk to Bombalai Hills, 530 meters to the south. The views from here are quite rewarding. Another reason for coming here is to see what was formerly the world's tallest tropical tree, 88 meters. A new 9-kilometer trail to a newly found 96 meters tree is due to open in 2019. Longer trails lead to the three main hills. Only Mount Lucia is accessible without a guide, and there's a hostel on its slopes. That is all for my presentation. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
My name is Reina Tokada. So today I'm going to talk about transportation to Tawau Hill Park. Okay, going to Tawau Hill Park is difficult if you do not have your own transport free range. But situation has improved a little with the launch Grab service in Tawau Town. With the Grab application installed in your mobile phone, visitor can easier to get a transport of going now. But remember, returning to the town is even more difficult. So also confirm with your driver for the returning of the trip. There is no bus going to Tawau Hill Park, which is 24 km from most hotel in Tawau Town Center. The most common transport visitor get is taxi and Grab. Taxi is 40 ringgit to 50 ringgit, and Grab is near half the price. The park headquarters at the southern boundary is merely 24 km. That is 30-minute drive away from Tawau. Visitors have to make their own transport arrangement to the park, which is accessible via a maze of some rather road, but the part of the adventure. Get a taxi or a Grab from the Tawau Town Center. A taxi costs us 40 ringgit to 50 ringgit for one way, and a Grab is much cheaper at the half of the taxi cost. Sometimes you may get a free promotion if you have luck. The park entrance is located 60 km NW from Tawau Town. From the airport, the park is 40 km away and about 1 hour car journey. A taxi from the airport to park costs around 70 ringgit or 80 ringgit one way and takes around 1 hour. A Grab is almost half the cost. But remember to make a confirmation with the driver for the returning of the journey, because there is no public bus or taxi stand at the park. During the weekday, when a few locals come to the park with their car, a visitor may not find any passing vehicle for free ride hitchhiking back to the town. So you also need to call for a taxi for your return of the journey, or Grab, which is difficult to get in return journey from the park. Many visitors hitchhike back to town during the weekend when the park is crowded with the local picnicker. So foreign visitor can find friendly local generously offering a free ride to the town. Thank you.
Now for the accommodation, we book it through the Agoda.com website. Go to Google, just type accommodation, type Taman Bukit Tawau, and choose the Agoda website. Click it and it's appear. Now we book, check in, we choose our date, it's 26 until 28, and just click here for if you have many travel. We choose it 2 rooms and 4 adults, and just click search. For our accommodation that day, we choose the Esbok Hotel. Now, this is the price. The price is 118 per night, and since our trip is for 3 days and 2 nights, it costs us Rm 354. We booked this accommodation before we go to Tawau Bukit Hills 1 week before, and during our experience in the accommodation, the facility is good, but still it's just a basic facility. There's a lot of improvement can be to improve the hotel, and it is really satisfying. The employee is very helpful, good hospitality, and our room have a balcony. Like you see, this is the room, and this is the balcony, just like our bedroom that day. And after we check out, like usual, is 11 p.m. And from our experience, the staff very helpful to carry our bag, and we really recommended this Espoq Hotel because it is have a good facility, and the reputation is very good, and the service is very satisfying.
Assalamualaikum to Azmi. Last but not least, I will present the conclusion. But first, I will introduce myself. My name is Joyston bin Podoro, and I will present about the conclusion. In a nutshell, transportation, accommodation, and attraction is a very important to the travel and tourism industry. Furthermore, we need to take an open-minded with the power to promote the tourism industry in the future, so we can increase the economy by attract more foreigner to the country. That's all from me. Thank you.